Ever wonder how AI is learning to catch mistakes in medical reports? It's a game changer for patient care, and recent research is pushing the boundaries of what these systems can do. Let's break down the big picture. Medical AI isn't just about diagnosing diseases anymore. It's about spotting errors in the very reports that guide treatment. Imagine a system that can read a radiology report and flag a missed detail, like a tumor that slipped through the cracks. That's the goal of benchmarks like MedErr-CT, a new test designed to see if AI can catch and fix real-world mistakes in CT scans. But how do we know if these systems are any good? Researchers are using tricky datasets and creative experiments to push AI to its limits. For example, studies like MedErr-CT create fake but realistic medical errors to test if AI can catch them. It's like giving a doctor a tricky puzzle and seeing if they can solve it, except here, the doctor is a machine learning model. The tools they're using are pretty advanced. Models like CT-CHAT-Mistral and MEDM-VL are designed to handle both text and images, like analyzing a CT scan and the report describing it. This multimodal approach is key because real-world medicine isn't siloed. Doctors juggle images, notes, and lab results all at once. Here's where it gets really interesting. When researchers tested these models, they found some surprising results. For instance, some AI systems performed almost equally well whether they were dealing with perfect data or data riddled with errors. That's a big deal. It means the models aren't just memorizing patterns, they're actually understanding the context. But there's still work to do. Studies show even the best models struggle with certain errors, like missing a critical detail entirely or misinterpreting a measurement. It's like asking a student to solve a math problem while reading a novel in a foreign language, challenging, but with room for growth. What does this mean for the future? These advancements could lead to AI assistants that double-check doctors' work, catch overlooked details, and even reduce medical errors. Imagine a world where technology helps healthcare professionals deliver care with near-perfect accuracy. So next time you hear about AI in medicine, remember, it's not just about fancy algorithms. It's about solving real problems, learning from mistakes, and pushing the limits of what machines can understand. The journey is just beginning, and the stakes have never been higher. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how AI is reshaping healthcare, hit subscribe and let me know what you'd like to explore next. Let's get technical. A recent study tested 8 AI models, like CT-CHAT-Mistral and MED-3DVLM, on their ability to fix 6 common errors: missing info, wrong directions, size mistakes, typos, unit mix-ups, and more. Researchers used 2 scoring systems to evaluate their performance. First, BERTScore F1, which measures how closely the corrected text matches a gold standard reference. Think of it as a grammar checker that compares your work to a perfect example. Higher scores equals better accuracy. Here's the twist: when fixing direction errors, like left lung instead of right, CT-CHAT-Mistral nailed it with an 0.864 score. But watch out. Some models like M3D5 worsened accuracy when there was nothing to fix. That's a problem. Imagine an AI messing up a perfect report. Now let's talk METEOR scores, which focus on how natural and meaningful the corrected text sounds. Again, CT-CHAT-Mistral shined, especially at catching typos and unit errors. But here's a red flag. When there were no errors, models like M3D Llama dropped to 0.036. Basically, they started inventing mistakes. So what does this mean? Some AI models are great at fixing specific errors without overcorrecting, but others struggle. And in healthcare, even tiny AI errors could lead to big consequences. The takeaway: AI is getting smarter, but precision matters more than speed. Next time you hear about AI in medicine, ask, is it just fast or is it accurate? What do you think? Should we trust AI with life or death decisions yet? Drop your thoughts below. Let's keep the conversation going.